Hello and welcome to another video. This one's just a short one, and I'd love your comments on this one, on whether I'm actually going to restore this machine. If I do decide to do it, it will be a massive job. So it's a Sony SL-500ME, and the fault with it was that it was dead, so I thought, well, that's fine, that's should be fairly straightforward, hopefully. And bought it, and it's not actually in the box now. This is how it was packed. So polystyrene and bubble wrap, wrapped in bubble wrap. And it was sent using Hermes in the UK address, from a UK address to a UK address. And this is the second time this has happened with Hermes. Something has punctured the box and it's gone straight through and straight into the machine. And it's almost like they've got something going with swords or something, it feels like. Yeah, don't be too surprised when you see the machine. So here it is in all its glory. Missing front flap, that's fine, didn't mind that. Yeah, it looks really tidy. Had a look at the power supply, and it looks like the main 3.15 slow blow fuse has just broken. It's ruptured, it's not blown. It's just like the metal, you can see a little bit of discoloration on the metal, and it's just gone open circuits, probably with age. So that's great. Fantastic, nice, easy repair, lovely machine. Except, remember the box? Yeah, I have actually straightened this out a little bit as well. So let's take the top off. Do it without doing more damage. So, as you can see, well and truly broken. Very smashed board. But this one, look at this, right up to the legs of the chip. Cracked right the way through. Let's turn that over because I've taken the bottom off. So whether you can quite see that, well, you can. Well and truly broken, bit of board completely sheared off there from its screw mount. It's right the way along the board. Chunk out the board there. Quite a bit of damage here. Tracks lifted off. Tracks lifted off. Yeah, it's just really a terrible mess. I've not taken the front off this, but I wouldn't be surprised. There could be some damage, maybe, I don't know. But it's in a hell of a state. The problem I have with this is that I'm sort of up for the challenge of getting this going. Obviously I'd never pass this on to anyone because it will never be reliable as such, but as a machine to get going, a bit of a project, yeah, I think I might be up for it, possibly. The deck is in very good condition. There is wear there, as you can see, but it's not that bad. It's pretty clean. It's not been cleaned at all. This is how I got it, so it's tidy enough. Obviously that is pretty bad. And then, well, let's have a look at the bottom board. Let's see, I've got the screws there. The bottom panel, it's well and truly warped. I mean, these machines were built a bit more to a budget anyway, and the metal is really just thin quality poor quality, rather thin, poor quality metal. And yeah, so I should be able to straighten that out. So my question is, what do you think? Should I give this a go? And am I completely mad in doing so? I would also be really interested to hear in the comments how you've got on with sending machines through the post using couriers or whatever. My preferred courier, having gone through them all, is DPD Local in the UK. I've found them to be, touch wood, absolutely perfect, and I've used them for countless repairs now and machines, and just every time they've delivered perfectly. UPS, I actually had two machines smashed from the same collection, and I found out that what they do is they do a van transfer. When they do that van transfer, they're actually throwing the parcels. So even though I double box and I use double thickness cardboard boxes as well, with lots of padding, I still had one machine broken, or two machines rather broken. One was an F30 with the usual board at the bottom getting smashed by the little plastic peg, very, very common fault with those for the post. And the other was a 8600 that got totally destroyed, to be honest, all the cabinet parts totally destroyed. Those are a pain anyway to post. I've never known one make it to any courier without some crack or something, because the metals are much stronger than the plastics that surround them. So yeah, so let me know your thoughts. Shall I do this? Shall I get this working? It'll be a video series, obviously, because it's going to take a lot of work, and I'll basically just do the highlights. Probably start a list just specifically on this machine, and I may well fail, and there may well be other problems with it, and obviously parts almost impossible to find for these, but I don't know, I really fancy the challenge of getting this going. I mean, we've got things like that. And then there's board stays, it doesn't matter. But I can hear other bits rattling about inside there as well, bits of PCB. Yeah, let me know your thoughts. Should I give it a go? Would you like me to see me trying to get this machine working? And yeah, bang it in the comments, and we'll take it from there. So that's it for this video. Thank you ever so much for watching. There's a lot more videos to come. Been really, really busy. I have been recording more videos, but I've just not had time to edit, what work commitments and life and a certain thing that's going on in the world at the moment, affecting a lot of people. It's just been crazy. So yeah, anyway, thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next one. Cheers, bye.